Crap, I'll try it. I'll give it a go.
You got this, CJ.
Body check felt fairly good, except for my neck. Neck feels a little sore. Well, I didn't make it. I didn't make it. Oh.
Where's it hurt?
My neck when I turn to the right. I think I just stretched my neck some. Maybe made it 3 inches longer on one side. Thank you.
Hey, that's down there.
Oh, that's okay. All right. I need to give that another go. Another day. Yeah, oh, ibuprofen, I need to do that. Yeah, I really took a neck cracker. Seemed to spin my neck around, kind of like The Exorcist. I should take my helmet off too, just to see what's up. See if there's any, maybe you guys can see if anything's sticking out where it shouldn't be. Thanks for coming up to the rescue.
No problem. I will ride in the back.
Okay.
I don't think you should ride in the back.
See if things start falling off of me, like body parts.
Move an arm, I'll just pick it up.
Just stuff it in your pack until the end of the ride.
I'm gonna go a little bit of a different way.
Okay.
We always ride past this intersection, but it's the way I came back, so we can look at the back side of it.
Okay. Sounds good. All right, that was a monumental failure on the hill for me. back in the saddle, so to speak. And yeah, that was a pretty intense fall. I did hear something cracking. I was just hoping that it was the inside of the helmet and not the outside of my head or neck.